Good evening everyone, I am T. Sarhasni. Today we will explain the chapter Socialism and the Russian Revolution. The, the age of social group. The age of social group change in Europe. Saw industrialization brings new social classes. Pushed Liberals pushed to individual rights and representative government. Radicals wanted radicals wanted to individual rights and elite privileges. Conservatives want to maintain the traditional institution and privilege, and also radicals and liberals supported women's right. Uh, they pushed suffrage, and it happened a movement. The movement name is suffrage movement. Uh, now.
Yeah, my topic is the Russian Revolution. In Russian Revolution, their government has promised that we will give peace, bread, and land to the peoples by the provincial government to the peoples, but in that because their first world war is there, but after first world war that's why they can't able to provide to peoples that type of things. And in this Russia was so much problem faced, like peoples are faced like that don't in unemployment, and don't eat foods, and like that. So in that everyone so many problems are faced. But after that when February Revolution will come, so that from that Balaji will show.
In February Revolution, the peoples were divided into two parts, rich people and poor people. It was divided by a river called it was divided by a river, Niba, and it was a winter time, so the poor people cannot buy some woolens for working at factory or farming. But the rich peoples have more money, so they can buy more warm clothes for them to suffer in the winter season. After some time, they started a protest about why women cannot work in factories. So after women win at 22nd February. So 22nd February. So it is named as a International Women's Day. After February Revolution, many factories were closed. More than 15 factories were closed because of the February Revolution. Many factories were closed because of the February Revolution, and now the women are working in the factories, and they. Thank you.
After the October Revolution of 1917, the Bolsheviks party transformed in Russia by industries and banks, and it later renamed as Russian Communist Party. Now Navin will explain.
So, in that the global influence Russian Revolution and the USSR. In that, in Russian, peoples are make one community, one party which is called Bolsheviks, which is some rules in their party. So in their party, rules are for uh, they want to they, they want to know about that Russian peoples are agree with that or that, and they also sees that in global every country has democracy, so they also want democracy. That's why they want that politicals and government. So in that peoples want that government. So but in Russian peoples are not Russian peoples are not want to accept that rules, so they not follow the rules, and